Another push to pass a data center moratorium at the Pulaski County Quorum Court has failed.
Yeah, this moratorium's been moving through the county government for the past couple of months. And even though it didn't go on the agenda, members of that court are still pushing for limits on these sprawling centers every chance they get. THV 11's Catherine Rowley is back from tonight's meeting. She reports on what that sounded like tonight.
I'm in information gathering stage, and that is the reason why I wanted more time.
Justices of the peace voted down a motion to suspend the rules during Tuesday's meeting, which would have allowed them to pass a 12-month moratorium on data centers. Justice of the peace Stephen Person says he supports a moratorium but wants more time to gather information. Fellow JP Stacey Metlock agreed, saying she also wants more time to meet with experts.
We understand and we hear what everybody is saying, and it's not that we're against the moratorium. We just want to make sure that we're not going to inadvertently hinder something that didn't necessarily need to be hindered. So we are trying to do our due diligence.
The push for a moratorium comes after Arkansas's 2023 data center law, which limits how local governments can regulate these facilities, sparking new debate over how counties should respond. After the meeting, one of the ordinance's sponsors, Julie Blackwood, said she is disappointed in the outcome, echoing the feelings of many supporters who attended the meeting.
So this is what we're talking about, putting in neighborhoods and putting next to schools.
Perry Doubleday, who lives in the area, expressed concerns about a perceived lack of transparency from the county regarding data centers, as well as the noise that could impact neighborhoods and schools near the proposed sites.
So we know that the companies were involved at that time. We know the DNAs were starting to be signed at that time. When did y'all know it?
Some residents also made emotional pleas to county leaders.
You are here to represent the people of Pulaski County, not the corporations, not the data centers, not the utility companies, and we are saying that we want a moratorium.
Another county meeting on the moratorium ordinance is set for Thursday at 5:30. The proposed ordinance is expected to go before the full quorum court in July. Catherine Rowley, THV 11 News.
All right, Catherine, thank you. And as we mentioned, a full slate for the justices of the peace tonight. They also passed a resolution that encourages County Judge Barry Hyde to exclude the Pulaski County deputies from the current hiring freeze. They also approved $250,000 for a financial audit. This all comes after disputes between different county executives over the last few months.